Wow, still sleepy si Tinay. Hey, why don't you go up and sleep? Go back to bed. Why? Yes, you are. You look like... You see? Look at your eyes. So tantalizing. You're sleepy. Hi, sleepy. Oh, I think it looks sleepy again. No, I think you are.
No, if I see. Like that?
Like that? Are you hungry? Really? What do you want to eat? Ice cream? Jollibee? McDonald's? McDonald's. What do you want to eat in McDonald's? French fries and what else? Sorry? Aside from French fries, what else? The chicken, okay. Oh, for Apple. And what about yours? A burger chicken. Is there a burger chicken?
A burger.
Come on, let's go. Oi, what's that? You have a long legs. Right? You have long legs? Yes. Where's your long legs?
Because I swim.
Oh, because you swim.
Because I'm scared of the water.
You're scared of water? Why? I thought you're a mermaid. Mermaid doesn't get scared.
Mermaids have waters. I'm gonna dive.
You're gonna dive.
How? Then like that.
Can you show us how you gonna dive?
Like this.
Yeah, come on, you dive. Pretend that there's a water. You're in a pool. No, you dive now.
He's gonna bring them swimming right here. Downstairs.